Get free $10 PayPal money. Get cash back on things you purchase, and a lot more. That's what's coming up in today's videos, folks. Please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. If you want to make a passive income, money while you sleep, money while you're on vacation, it's my #1 recommendation. There's a top link in the video description below. You'll find a membership there, a free membership, free websites, free training, very large community of helpful people as well. But let's dive into this, folks. This is BeFrugal.com. Basically, they're a cashback website. When you purchase different things at different stores, you get cash back. And there's lots of different stores here: GMC, Kmart, Express, Microsoft, Macy's. 13% cash back on Macy's. As such, you can browse through here. Walmart's Father's Day's gift, all kinds of stuff in here, and you get cash back every time you make a purchase using this platform. And there's different stores, there's different categories. Computers, let's go to computers real quick. Mac Mall 2.5 cash back. Some of them are pretty high, up to 9%, 5% cash back. And basically you get to there's coupons as well. Before I get to move on, there's coupons here as well, printable coupons, restaurant coupons, all kind of really cool stuff. Buy one get one free at Boston Chicken Market, or Boston Market as they call them now. Few of the things you can get: refer a friend and get $10. And I have a link down in the video description below. If you use my link, you're gonna get $10 and I'm gonna get $10. And then you can select your payment options: check, direct deposit, PayPal. You can give gift cards, and even the gift cards, when you choose the gift cards, you get bonuses and stuff like that as well. But I'm gonna choose PayPal as my payment option. So really cool. And like I said, you can refer a friend. After you sign up and refer friends, you could get $10 with your special code as well. So it's really cool. It's a great way to make some cash back on things you buy anyways. You get great coupons and stuff like that, and you get $10 just by using my link in the video description below, and I will get $10 as well. Some of the reviews here: this is the iOS store. It has a 4.6 out of 5, so that's a pretty good rating there. In the Android store, Google Play, it's 4.3 out of 5, so a very good rating there as well. So how do you get your cash? Earning cash back is easy as 1, 2, 3. Browse BeFrugal and choose from over 5,000 retailers. Click on any coupon deal or shop now button and complete your purchase as you normally would. Get cash back. Cash back is automatic. The add to your account. Request your cash via PayPal, check, direct deposit, or gift card. And there's a frequent asked questions here you can check out as well. There's up to 40% cash back for 5,000 stores, with thousands of exclusive coupons and deals. So this is a really cool website, folks. You're gonna make some cash back on the purchases you make anyways. You're gonna get $10 when you get friends or family to sign up. You're gonna get $10 when you use my link again below to sign up. So it's free money and it's cash back money. Really cool site. You're definitely going to check this one out. Please use my referral link in the description below. Also, if you really want to learn how to make lots of money online, check out my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description below. There you're going to get a free membership, free training, free websites, and a lot of other cool stuff. Lots of stuff in there. It's too much to explain in this short video. Also subscribe to the channel. Many videos in my back catalog as well about making money online. So check this one out, folks. This is a really cool one. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.